Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to assign specific or collective assets on your Meta business portfolio to yourself. So whether you're added as a new admin or as a new employee into a Meta business portfolio, or you have full access to a Meta business portfolio, but there are certain assets which you can't still see or which you can't still find whenever you want to use them, either on Facebook, Meta Ad Manager, or across the Meta family of apps. So you could go to the Meta business portfolio settings and reassign or assign your assets to each of those business assets, which could be Facebook page, Instagram professional account, ad account, pixel or data set, and so much more. All right, so in this video we're going to cover all of that, and don't forget to visit the description section. We're also going to show you how to invite another user or a partner into your Meta business portfolio. So let's jump right straight into this video. So you're going to learn how to assign or reassign yourself to specific business assets on a Meta business portfolio. So let's jump right straight in. We've covered a video that shows you how to invite a staff and also how to accept invitation to join a business portfolio. So visit business.facebook.com/latest. We are going to assume that you were just added as a new admin, particularly as a new admin to a business portfolio, or you created it, but somehow you found out that you don't have access to your Facebook page or you can't see it anymore, but you know that it's been connected to a business portfolio. So this is a basic troubleshooting video whereby maybe you somehow lost access to your Facebook page. You can't find it on your account or your ad account. Provided that your account was not hacked or the asset was not stolen or transferred, this is how you can access it on the Facebook app or on other apps like Meta Business Suite mobile app or the Meta Ads Manager, particularly when you want to manage ad accounts and etc. All right. So what you do, after making it to the business Meta Business Suite, you're going to select the particular business portfolio that you were invited to join, or the business portfolio where those assets you want to have access to are inside. So you select any of them. For yours, it might be one or two, but I have a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to select one. So let me assume that it's this one, creator. So I'm going to click on creator. What we are looking for, you click on this settings icon, okay, business settings. That is how you're going to make it to the Meta business portfolio. So you click on business settings. All right, or you could just input business.facebook.com/latest/settings. Okay, so all right, so the next thing you want to do now, you click here. This is how to assign yourself. There are different ways. We're going to cover all of them. So this usually works for admin, but if you're an employee, you can also try this just in case your boss or whoever is in charge, your administrator, invited you to join their business portfolio and you still can't access the Facebook page, the ad account, and so on, Meta Pixel and so on, or Meta data, the data sets. So you click on this where your name is showing. Next, you click on assign. Okay, hold on. Okay, next you click on assign assets. So you see, this is how you can assign access to all of them. So you select all of them. If they sent you access to all of this, you assign yourself. You said, okay, I'm going to assign all access to all of this. You assign them. Then you select all the assets you want to have access to. So I will just take these two. For yours, you can select all. You click on all if you want. Okay, but for mine, I'm just going for these two. Then you scroll down and give yourself everything assets. In some cases, because you added as a staff, you might only be able to assign yourself maybe to post content or ads, whatever you find, whatever thing that is clickable here, just click it, toggle the bar and accept it. All right. Yeah, but if you're an admin, you most likely be able to give yourself full control. So you go for that. Then next, you go for ad accounts. You can select all the ad accounts, as many ad accounts as you want. You can click on select all, then you manage everything. Okay, you can also go for apps. If you have any app, you click. Once you click, you assign everything, but we don't need this for now. It's already assigned. Okay, so you could click on full control. Okay, so let's just assign it. So assign pixel. You could also assign pixel if you have any pixel. So you can see, just select all and full control. Offline event set, if you have data sets, if you have, you assign yourself. Click on select all and full control. Then you click on assign assets. Take note, you can also do this independently or individually. So that is the next thing we're going to go to. But this is the fastest way to reassign everything under this business portfolio, or as much as you want under this business portfolio all at once. So you click on done. So let's say for pages, you can go here, you click on pages, then you select the page you want access. So you select, if it's the creator, you select the creator, then you click on assign people. So I'm showing you how to do this independently. Assign people. Okay. Then you click on full control, assign. Then you click on yes, confirm. Okay, this is how to do it individually. Same thing when you go to add account. I think we usually teach this. Okay. So I'm just going to do for these two. Then if you have an Instagram account, you would have seen Instagram account there also. So you click on assign, select all and full control. Okay, you assign. It's very easy. So you basically come here and assign yourself. So you do that for all the assets you want that is here. You know, all these are categories of different assets under this business portfolio. So for Instagram, you come, you do the same thing and so much. When there's no Instagram account under this business portfolio, but you could also assign. Once you click on the Instagram account, you see the assign. So that is how to assign yourself, to give yourself access to the business assets under any business portfolio. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. If you need help with any of this, kindly book a consultation with one of our experts. All right. So you visit the description section for more information for you. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now. So I'm just going to give you guys bonus. You can also assign a partner. So let's say you want to specifically give the partner access to your ad account. You select the ad account, then you click on assign partner. So you basically input the partner's ID. Okay, input the partner's ID here. Select the control and you click on assign. So this is just a bonus where you want to assign partners. You could also do the same thing for pages. If you want to give a partner specific access to your Facebook page, so you select the page, then you click on assign partner. So it's very easy. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Cheers.